Well, teacher, my name is Aurelio Leon. I want to talk about the young throughout the family. The which is my name, the father, Eduardo Felipe Leon Rosales. Young the Rosales, 14 the year old. I work the work the security. I work in this factory. The leads, young the pie the team, spin the family, or the play with the student the twins. My mother and my Córdoba Quiñones. She is the house shift. Y on the lead, the house mobile teach. My family is my name on the and the brother. My two the brother Kimberly on the floor. I'm ready to have all the community. On the children, my sister Mariana was the 25. Y on the study the virtual. My brother Donato was the 14.3. She's the league to watch the videos, tweet the music, and the sport the soccer. And on the stream they play the Free Fire. The which my friend is neat. On the Sunday, I'm going to the play bus. The which the friends. On the from Mondays to the study day at the virtual classroom. Y on the homem. Y on the 40, going the soldier, the clothes. My family how the organizer business, my family lives on the animals. We have the regat on the Bartolo. On the beach the dog Loba. We all the house domestic animal. So the dogs on the chicken. My family saw me the play Jenga, which there is the push. My family is the with the try of the summer on the which some work the egg the wheat. My family is on the my family courage was the goat. Thank you, teacher.